Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Oh, guys, ngifuna nje ukukhuluma ngomngoma ezulu. My heart. Guys, it's like 22:11 after Ngoma Zulu is passing this morning. And lento le iqale kancane ngibona uKing Bhaka saying something ukuthi angazi uMngoma Zulu uyafana nje nomuntu ongasekho. I was just like, bruh, please, like ukhuluma ngani? Like ukubona lento nokuthi nje hey fanele simthandazise and how nje akukho right kuleya court. Guys, there's a lot of speculations. Obviously, I mean, I was even saying to myself, nje ngihlalele ngiyi-one nje, bese uMngoma Zulu akasekho. Ngithi how guys, njani? Like uyibona leyo nto leyo ufeel ukuthi abantu. It's just like some game that people are playing. Sometimes you feel kanjalo if umuntu ubusumjwayele. Ufeel ukuthi nje hayibo guys. Angahamba kanjani umuntu nje just like that. Fine, uMngoma Zulu, like I said on the video, the short, I was like, uMngoma Zulu has not been fine. Right? But not ukuthi azahambe guys. I mean, yes guys. Khona ezinye izinto ufeel ukuthi man uhambe kanjani, like what happened now? And uNxumalo uthi wamfonela, iphone was off. Hayibo guys, ngifeel ukuthi uNxumalo could have just gone there on the weekend to check him out. After that I was busy saying, I mean, uMngoma Zulu ubonakele. Mbona guys uMngoma Zulu at the high port in Pretoria. Where did they see him? Azathi uKininda, and I have my sources nam. Really? Guys? Ama sources abenze njani? Guys, yazini. One of the YouTubers uyibeke kahle wathi yazini guys, ne thina sesazi nje uNkulunkulu kulomhlaba. Sesadecide nje ukuthi you know what? Siphethe. And I've said it so many times in this very same channel. I said it here on What's the Tea Siyahlaziya ukuthi you know what? uNkulunkulu wadala umhlaba. Uyokhuluma uzukhathana. Ungangithatha ungihambise like uMngoma Zulu, what happened to uMngoma Zulu? But in the end, who created the world? I was like, bayamphonsa umnisi nenzani. What are you doing? Hayibo guys. Izinto ezenzakalayo and uKing Bhaka ushilo wathi asibasandazise nalabo abawu4 abasele. Ngobani kuyasabisa guys. Yabona manje it's a battle of the fittest. Kunzima. That YouTuber who was talking even said kwasabona ngise kwasebe satshiswa begijinyiswa benziwa all sorts of things balandule iPholo emhlophe. Khumbula iPholo emhlophe elandela uSisters lo usisika accused number 4. Yebo. And then bese kuzoba ama YouTubers nawo. No, bese kuzoba those YouTubers, right? And then bese kuzoba uyena uMngoma Zulu after he said, after wakhuluma ukuthi uLongo is the one that actually shot Senzo. The following day iyayisimile imoto ngaphandle kwakhe umlindile. He can't even come out now. Uyakuyebona emawindini. Guys, like why? Sifike nini? I always ask myself, and someone was even saying ukuthi hayibo Senzo Miyo wafika nini la? Bake bahlupheka bo ka Senzo Miyo. Why can't they just get proper justice? Like, what is the problem? Because the people who were in the house must just tell us what exactly happened on the day. Why are we getting drips and drabs from people abangena nothing to do with anything? Like, and that's exactly what I've been saying as well. If you've been watching my videos for the past 2 years, What's the Tea Siyahlaziya, the question February of 2023, and I started with Senzo Miyo's case in May of 2023. I've been saying the same thing daily almost. Ngithi umuntu aba6 guys babesendlini ngithi sasingekho, uBrigadier wayengekho guys, uMakhubo wayengekho, uJudge Ratha wasn't there, and the defense was not there. Can the people who were in the house tell us exactly what happened on the day? And you know what's crazy? uMngoma Zulu khona ngakathi khona, yeah, abantu bakhona bahlangana ama-meeting in Melrose, and I mean I can actually jog to Melrose. Sometimes I actually jog to Melrose. Ngibuka iMelrose ngithi oh washiya silenga uMngoma Zulu without telling us ukuthi what happened eMelrose. those meetings. Oh, man, who were meeting there? And you know what was crazy? Ngomezulu had a lot of information about this case. This is why being on phone. Utefo yena. Just utefo. Azangaza hambi mhlabeni. But bonus mamenzena and it's like, so I understand that you had the other video that I did, 2 videos before this one that I'm doing now about Ngomezulu, where I said bonke abantu that are supposed to come to court, they are deceased or they pass on mysteriously. There's always some stories, to a point where Shololo was like, oh, Constable Spanbani is still alive. Like, it's crazy, guys. Hey, what's going on? No, ngicela ibala nje lapha indaba kaMngomezulu. But Mngomezulu, guys, he was like one of the best player 5. And I think when I came out with that whole thing, Black Excellency, around all the 5 of them, it was mostly around Mngomezulu when I came out with that name. This is why today I said, Black Excellence is your name. Yisho Mngomezulu. May his soul rest in peace, guys. In eternal peace, aphumule Mngomezulu. Lo muntu besebenza. Egula enjalo, guys. Ubonile in the other video, ngimfake ebopha izandla. He was folding his hands. He was so cold on the day. I think the 2 days before he like left, and then they were like, he must stay at home. And then I was hoping Uguti was gonna come back, and I was like, you know what? Uzobonisa umuntu. Hayibo, guys, asisho lutho. Thina njengamanje sizilile thina, guys, for Mngomezulu. Mina nje my heart is very, very, so angikwazi kwenza lutho. It's on stage, my voice just nje yahamba. For like 30 minutes, I didn't have a voice. I was just like, what's going on? Because I still needed to do videos for News Galore for days. I couldn't. Because I was just like, I'm not voicing a man. From shock. Oh my gosh. So nje engathi angaphumula nkosami uMngomezulu. Yo, hayi bandla cha uzamile nkosami. You remember I always repeated how accused number 1, the family was paying him. Uncle ka accused number 1 was paying him. Phela uMngomezulu, guys, wasn't paid by legal aid. Hey? He wasn't. Ngitshele nje, guys. Hawa, guys, ngeke. Asibeke nje lapho, guys, for now. I really, really appreciate you guys and the way you've supported me and the Mayuas and Mngomezulu as well on the video that I've just posted now. Ngithanda over. Thank you.